Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Charlie Morningstar hair, easy method. Start with dry, towel-dried hair and a tail comb to create a clean center part and section the top. Work in small sections and use a blow dryer to add lift at the roots, aiming for loose texture. Finish by applying a pea-sized amount of matte paste to the tips and shaping the fringe into soft, separated pieces for that signature messy polish. Find your natural center and use a tail comb to make a precise part, then clip the sides away. Gently lift the top sections with your fingers while applying low heat from the blow dryer to build volume without flattening. Work through each small panel, alternating tension to create irregular texture. When the hair is about 80% dry, pause and shape the fringe so it breaks naturally over the forehead for that lived-in Charlie Morningstar vibe. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you catch more easy hair guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car fresh after long styling sessions and avoid lingering product smells. I love throwing one in my glove box after a morning of styling. Check the description for the link and other deals, and when you're ready, now let's get back to the video. Use a pea-sized amount of matte paste warmed between your palms and work it through the mid-lengths to ends for definition and grip. Scrunch and separate small strands with your fingers to encourage that slightly messy, piecey look without stiffness. If needed, reheat and reposition stubborn bits with a hairdryer on cool. Finish with a light mist of hairspray for flexible hold so the style moves naturally while staying in place all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.